Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Facebook Parental Guide. In this video, I'll show you how to set up parental control and monitor your child on Facebook account. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Facebook app. Next thing you want to do is to click on the profile icon. Go ahead and click on the setting icon. Go ahead and click on Family Center. Supervision lets you manage safety settings for your teen or give them permission to manage their settings on their home. You will also see who they are connected with, how much time they spend on each app, and you can help them manage their time. You won't see their actual messages, searches, or content not available to you. If you choose not to supervise them, they will still get the protection that automatically comes with Teen's account. Next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on continue right here. Here is your family link. Share this link with your teen to invite them to set up supervision. This invite expires within 48 hours. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here to copy the link. Once you copy the link, send it to your kids as many as possible they have. Once you send it to them, they will click on the link. Once they click on the link, then you can set up supervision with them using this particular link right here. Then you'll be able to monitor their activities on their Facebook account. It's that simple. For more tutorials like this about how safety you need online, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.